Krakatau lies between the islands of Java and Sumatra in the Sunda Strait. Before 1883, it was a cluster of volcanic islands until one of the most violent eruptions ever recorded tore it apart. On August 27, 1883, Krakatau erupted with a force estimated at more than 13,000 times the power of the Hiroshima bomb. The sound of the explosion was heard over 4,800 kilometers away, even in Australia. The eruption triggered tsunamis up to 40 meters high, destroying coastal towns and killing over 36,000 people. It also ejected so much ash into the atmosphere that the Earth's temperature dropped for years. But nature always rebuilds. In 1927, a new volcano began to rise from the sea, called Anak Krakatau, or Child of Krakatau. It continues to grow and erupt until today, reminding us that the Earth is still alive. Krakatau is a living symbol of both destruction and creation, showing how powerful, yet balanced, nature truly is. So, those were 5 powerful facts about Krakatau, the volcano that changed the world. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more incredible facts about Earth's natural wonders.